Say hi, Sophia.
We're heading out. You're all mixed matchy. That was your dad. He went for polka dots and stars together. Why, Daddy? Why you gotta do me like that? Why you gotta do me like that? Think so?
You ready, Sophia?
Alright, let's go. Hey guys, so we are out the house. No makeup again because it is sprinkling. It was raining earlier. So yeah, we're just in a cozy outfit. There's Sophia. She's sleeping. She always sleeps in the car just because it puts her to sleep. The ride. So we just came out the house. It is 4. I know it's late, but we finally made out the house because the rain kind of calmed down. It should stop raining soon. And we are going to the town center. It's the Long Beach Town Center to buy Sophia some clothes and hopefully we can catch a movie. We've never been to the movie with Sophia, so I don't know how that's gonna go. I don't know. How do you watch a movie with your baby? Hey guys, are you recording me now?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe later.
We are here now. Show them the places. There's a lot of stores.
Show them that way.
We're going there.
If it focuses.
We're going to Carter, Oshkosh. I don't know if I'm comfortable. I am actually. I'm not a big fan of Carter's and Oshkosh clothes because it shrinks, but there is the couple pieces that don't shrink, that they're the really soft ones, the warm ones. Those I like. So here we go. I'll show you guys when we're in there, or maybe.
She just loves to shop.
I bought you those last year, but you didn't like them.
Well, you're gonna have to work like it.
And I see. Sophia says she doesn't want anything.
No, she needs this one.
This is why I don't come with Samantha shopping.
I'm sad because the boy clothes is so cute. Have we missed the movie?
No. Yeah, we did.
No, we didn't.
Yeah, we did.
Which one is that?
I don't know.
You guys, look what we got. So cute. We're gonna put this on her right now. We're gonna do a switch. We're gonna watch a movie night. The room is very messy. Haven't even made our bed, so can't show you guys. Not today. Not today. Tomorrow. I'm gonna clean tomorrow and I'll show you guys tomorrow. Say hey guys.
That are immune to such events. You mean the rumors?
So after this game, we're gonna end this vlog again, and like, comment, subscribe, and I think my next video is going to be a haul. So get ready for that, ladies. Bye.
Ryan Fortesa, you do not have to release the ball once you begin your shooting motion. That's what his explanation was to Steve Kerr there.
Let's go.